Hello friends, we are currently standing at the base of Nuranang Falls. It was named after a local Monpa girl, Nura, who assisted rifleman Jawan Jaswant Singh Rawat Mahavir Chakra posthumously during the Battle of Nuranang in 1962 Sino-Indian War. Here we have discovered an excellent rock sample of gneiss. Gneiss is a high-grade foliated metamorphic rock characterized by alternating bands of light and dark minerals. Typically, the light-colored bands consist of quartz. Here we can found Ptygmatic folds. So, Ptygmatic folds are highly contorted folds exhibiting high amplitude to wavelength ratios. They occur in deformed rocks where regions of high viscosity, such as dikes or leucosomes, undergo folding, while the surrounding low viscosity country rock remain undeformed. Consequently, ptygmatic folds appear as irregular lobate folds, commonly observed when single competent layers are enclosed within a matrix of low competence. During a slightly molten plastic state of the rock, random deformations occur, resulting in the formation of meandering ptygmatic folds as we can observe here. Thank you.